Well, Wednesday and Thursday have been very different when it comes to that mercury. 65 degrees was the high yesterday, so it was a warm one out there. Low temperatures as well were above average at 45 degrees, but still about a good 20 degrees away from either the record high or the record low of 88 and 21 degrees. We did receive a cold front, and temperatures have really fallen into those upper 30s to 40s throughout a good portion of the Upper Peninsula all day long. 45 in Munising, 43 in Marquette was the high temperature, 46 in Iron Mountain, 55 in Escanaba. So some areas seen about a good 20 to 30 degree drop in just a matter of 24 hours. But those winds have really been the icing on the cake when it comes to those temperatures. It's making it feel about a good 10 degrees colder. Some areas feeling like in the 20s because of very strong winds between 15 to 25 miles per hour, 23 in Iron Mountain, 17 in Escanaba, a little bit more out of the east at 22 in Munising, 15 in Ironwood. But the good news, the winds will begin to relax as we push into Friday. The sunshine will also return, but the weekend, quite a different story. We will be dealing with some showers once again, so make sure to have that rain gear with you when you go outside. But for the next 7 days, it's going to be about that cooler air. We're still going to be stuck somewhat in weather that we saw more in April instead of the last week of May, now pushing closer to the month of June. So we're really waiting for that one warm-up to finally get us more into that late spring, early summer feel. However, though, yesterday was a wet one through a good portion of the central and western UP. Some areas got over 2 inches of rain, especially at Copper Harbor at 2.24 inches of rain, Ironwood at 1.79, Herman at 1.65, and Munising at 1.3. So very impressive amounts, especially despite the fact that some areas were under a flash flood watch yesterday. So make sure that to keep slowing down on those roads, especially with the fact that there was more rain that came on top of it today, and that could create some more localized flooding. But the weather is gradually beginning to clear out. Showers are beginning to diminish, but the cloudiness will still linger for the next couple of hours. So this good amount of clouds will gradually push its way towards the northeast into Canada. We will have a quiet period for tomorrow with high pressure in control, but the weather will be noticeably cooler. Now here's our next batch of trouble as we go into the weekend. Severe thunderstorms are possible through parts of Kansas and Oklahoma, and this will gradually make its way towards the northeast, towards us Saturday into Sunday. Mostly just rain, but some thunderstorms are possible. Keep that in mind. And yesterday was a rough night for some areas where we were seeing some strong and severe weather. Some hail was reported, but it was just really the heavy downpours. That was the main issue yesterday. And tomorrow will be a nice one, but Saturday, that's when the rain returns. Cloudy weather will continue, gloominess into your Sunday. Monday, we will finally begin to see more sunshine returning with a mixture of sun and clouds, and that's going to pretty much be the main pattern all week long. 35 degrees for tonight, gradual clearing but breezy, gust up to 25 miles per hour, so temperatures are going to continue to feel like into those 20s, especially along the shoreline. So make sure to wear that heavy sweater with you. Tomorrow, though, may want to go into a light sweater or even a light jacket with those winds out of the northeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour. It will be a nice one, so at least it will dry up some of that rain that we saw through the last couple of days, and pretty much stuck in those upper 40s to low 50s along the shoreline. 52 in Houghton, 48 in Marquette, 59 in Iron Mountain. And a closer look on your Friday, sunrise at 6:12 a.m., 48 degrees along the shoreline. Mostly sunny skies, becoming partly cloudy by the evening. And the next 7 days, pretty much in those upper 40s to low 50s along the shoreline, a little bit closer to the 60s as you make your way towards the interior. Morning lows in those upper 30s to low 40s, but it's all about that rain this weekend once again.